Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix audio problem on your Windows 11 system. Make sure that your speakers or headphones are properly connected to your computer's audio jack or USB port. So in the first step, simply press Windows key plus X together to open Device Manager. Then expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers section. Now we need to update the drivers. For that, simply right click here, select Properties. On this window we need to select Drivers tab, then click on Update Driver. Now we need to update the driver, so search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers for your device are installed. So close this window, close all windows one by one. Now press Windows key plus R together to open Run, and simply type here services.msc, then click on OK. Now just scroll down and locate Windows Audio. So here it is. Simply right click on it and select Restart. It will take some time to complete the process. Once done, we need to close this window, and then we need to check for the updates. For that, press Windows key plus I together to open Settings, then go to Windows Update, and simply from the update section click on Check for Updates. Again, it will take some time to complete the process. Once done, let's move to the last step. Right click on sound icon and click on Troubleshoot Sound Settings. So it will try to detect the problem and to try to resolve the problem itself. Check this box and click on Apply and click on OK. Now close this window. If you're still facing any issue related to this problem, you can send me here screenshot and details of the error message. You will get the link in the description below. Just check out and fix your problem. That's it guys. You're good to go.